Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today I got here for you the special video from audio software called Audacity, because this video is complete beginner guide for the Audacity. So let's begin. So welcome to the Audacity, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this is the user interface of the Audacity. First of all, let's talk really shortly about some of the main icons that you can find here. So here are the main 6 buttons. Here, as you can see, is the pause, play, stop, go to start, go to end, and the record. Next we got here some tools which you can use, and then we got here the input levels. That means you can see the levels of your recording. During your recording you can see how much of sound is coming in. And then when you are replaying your audio and everything, basically what is in your audio project, you can see the output levels at the right side. Nextly, you can set up here the volume of your microphone and the volume of your system. Basically this icon represents the same as you have at the right bottom. As you can see, speaker 60%, and this is the same as here, playback volume 0.6. If you will go to left bottom of the Audacity, you can see here the project rate in hertz. Basically, as higher number you have here, the higher quality of your final audio will be. But together with the higher quality of your sound is coming the bigger size of your final exported audio file. So in the end, depends just on you what kind of hertz you want to set up to actually reach the best possible audio in comparison to the size of the final file. Okay, nextly at the top row you can see here the file, edit, view, transport, track, generate, effect, analyze, and help. Very often you will use mainly the file, because here you can create a new file, open one of your already existing files, or you can save here your project, or you can export your project at the end of the editing. But we will go to all of this during this video, don't worry. So basically in the edit you got here just some undo and redo buttons, cut, delete, copy. Basically at the right side you can see the shortcuts for everything what you can see here. But if you would like to know about every possible shortcut in the Audacity, simply watch one of our previous videos in which we talked about basically every possible shortcut in the Audacity. And basically when we will go through the video, every time we will talk about any kind of effect or about any feature about which you should know more, they will appear card at the top right corner. So nextly you can simply click on this card and click on video you want and you need to see. Okay, so let's say we want to record some audio for our video. So you need to click on this red dot for recording. Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today I would like to tell you something more about the processes in the Audacity. Let's say, I don't even know what I said, but okay, so let's say this is our audio. Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today I would like to tell you something more. Okay, as you can hear, for example, here is one long what I really don't like to have in my videos. So basically what you can do is click on Ctrl+X. By what you can actually extract the part of your audio you don't want here. And as you could see, we actually moved the all audio tracks at the right side of this extracted part to the left. Okay, nextly, let's say that we won't have this part of audio. It doesn't matter what it is right now, but let's say we want to have it a little bit more at the right side. So first of all, we need to separate this part of audio from this part of audio. So you can do it simply by select the part between those audios. It's only on you if you want to select the smaller part or bigger part, but basically we need just select some kind of area and then click on Ctrl+Alt+X. And as you can see, we extracted the audio similarly as we did before, but actually the extracted part did not move the right side of the audio towards, and actually you can see here is the empty area. So okay, so right now we want to move with this part of audio to the right side. So we need to click on this icon, time shift tool, or you will click on F5, with which you can then just click on audio track you want to move and drag anywhere you want. So let's say we want to drag it right here. Okay, so let's say that we already recorded what we want, move the tracks, but let's say, oh, I forgot to record something more. You can simply go click anywhere you want to record it and click again on the red dot, and as you can see, you will start recording whatever you want and whatever you need. Okay, but let's say that we want to record something more to this audio track, not to second, but to the end of this moved part. So simply click at this audio track and click on Shift plus R, and as you can see, we recorded to the end of this part of audio. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let's say this is what we wanted to record. Now the next steps is to optimize the sound of this audio. So basically, when we will play it,
Great everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension.
you can hear that there is so much things that you can actually do with it. So basically in the next steps we will try to improve the quality of our audio and of the actual sound. So as you can hear,
Great everybody, welcome to Skill.
there is quite a lot of noise in the background of the audio. So this is why the first step will be the noise reduction, and at the same time this is the reason why we recorded this part of the audio, because when you want to remove the noise from your audio, you firstly need to get the noise profile at the free part of your audio. What I mean by free part of your audio is that you actually need to select the part of audio at which you have your own recording. So this is why I select this part. After selecting, I will go to Effect and I will click on Noise Reduction. Here we can see the various settings in the step 2, about which we talked in previous videos, but basically we can keep those settings, and then we'll go to step 1 and click on Get Noise Profile. After we get the noise profile of our selected part of an audio, I will click on Ctrl plus A, by what I will select actually the whole audio track, and then I will go to Effect and click on Repeat Noise Reduction, by what we will actually remove the noise reduction from our audio, as you can hear now. So as you can see, basically we decrease the noise in the background by quite a good levels. So nextly what we want to do is improve the final sound of our audio. So I will select the all audio part again, and the next step is equalization. So I will go to Effect and click on Equalization. So here you can basically see one green line. So in my case, I would like to boost the frequencies below 100 Hz for 6 dB. So let's say like this, and then I would like to boost the frequencies above 4000 Hz for the 6 dB too. But of course you can play out with all those settings. You can set it up by yourself, but then after you set it up, you can preview how it sounds.
Great everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension.
Okay, it does not sound too much different, but it sounds a little bit better. Okay, so right now click on OK. The next step will be the amplifying effect. So I will go to Effect and I will click on Amplify. Right here, right now, you can see the amplification in decibels. That means that our audio levels will be increased by 9.9 decibels at every part of audio, and in the end we'll actually reach the 0 decibel level. So I will click on OK, and as you can see, the audio track levels was just boosted. So after we amplified our audio, we want to actually compress it a little bit. So I will select the all audio part again, and I will go to Effect and Compressor. By compressor, we will actually compress the audio wave. That means that when you have two loud versus two soft parts of your audio side to side, so it will compress itself, so there will be not so huge differences between in short period of time. So in my case, I will set up the threshold to minus, let's say, 12 dB. Noise floor is good at minus 40, ratio 2:1, and attack and release time at the lowest possible. Okay, so let's preview.
Great everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension.
Okay, it sounded actually better right now, so I will click on OK. As you can see, the audio wave again changed. Okay, nextly, you could use basically any of those effects here, which you can see, the fading, the speed, the pitch, anything about almost all of those effects you have videos on our channel, so you can check it out. But in my case, I will actually just go right now with normalize, by what we will actually a little bit decrease the volume, because I don't want to reach in the 0 decibels level. And even I know that I already removed the noise from our audio, but as you can hear here, there is still quite a lot of noise, mainly after the amplification and compression effect. So I will remove noise one more time. Of course, when you have the better microphones, you don't have to do this step again. I believe you have already quite a good audio level at this time, but in my case I have quite a low microphone, so this is why I need to do this one more time. So I will select this part, I will go to effect, I will go to noise reduction, and I will go to get noise, then select the all audio track, go to effect and repeat noise reduction. So let's listen at least this part again. And as you can hear, the noise levels are so much lower. So let's preview the final sound of the audio.
Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension.
Okay, so as you can hear, it sounds so much better in comparison with the original audio. Basically, in the end, I will show you just few more tricks around the audio. So let's say you want to select this part and copy it and paste anywhere in your audio project. So you will select the part you want to copy, then click on Ctrl+C, or you can click on this icon, and then you will click anywhere you want to paste it, and you will click on this to paste, or Ctrl+V as in any other document. Next, let's say you have multiple audio tracks, so you can simply here mute one of the audio tracks, or if you want to play just this audio track and all other audio tracks mute, you can click on the solo, and then all of the other audio tracks are muted and just this one is working. I got here few more tips and tricks about the editing of your audio track. Let's say you want to put silence part right here at the audio. You can simply go and click on this icon, silence audio, and as you can see, the silence part was just inserted into the audio. Nextly, let's say you want only keep this part of your audio track, so you will click on trim audio. And as you can see, everything else from this audio was deleted, the right side and this short part of the left side. I will now click on Ctrl+Z to undo, and for the end, let's say you won't just delete this free part of your audio. So you will go and you will click on delete, and as you can see, the old part was just removed, or Ctrl+Z. You can go with backspace, it will do actually the same. Or as I showed you actually with Ctrl+X, and it will extract the part as well. In the case you would like to duplicate this to the another audio channel, so you will simply click on Ctrl+D, by what you will duplicate this part, and it is actually at the completely same level. So if you will delete it from the upper audio track right now, it will still be in the second one, so you can basically, let's say, edit it separately or then export as separate audio tracks. As I said already, we have really a lot of videos from Audacity on our channel, so if you want to learn anything basically, you can find it in our Audacity playlist. But right now we are almost at the end of the video. Let's say this is our final project, this is our final audio. So now next step is of course to export it. You don't have to select anything if you want to export it. You will simply go to File and then click on Export Audio. In newer versions of Audacity you can actually choose right now from here if you want to export it as WAV or MP3 or anything else. Basically how you can export it as MP3 you have again in one of our previous videos. It is really simple, just check it out, but in my case I will go to export audio, and as you can see there just pop out the window where we can actually select where we want to export our audio file. We can set up the name, and in the end we can set up as what we want to export it, so WAV, MP3 or anything else. In my case I will go with WAV, so I will click on I will keep the WAV 32-bit. I will go with save, then you can just edit some metadata here and you will click on OK, and it is exported actually to the place where you chose. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope you liked it. I really hope I helped you. If you have any questions about Audacity, or if you have any problem with your Audacity, just simply write a comment below. If I will see your question, I will reply to it as soon as possible. This is all for our beginner tutorial guide. So I really hope I told about everything what you need to know actually in the Audacity. If no, I'm really sorry. You can surely find the rest in our playlist, but for now this is really all. So if you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe or like this video, and if you like our tutorials and you want to support our tutorial project, you can become our patron at the Patreon page. But right now this is actually really all for this video. So thank you for watching this video, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.